Bet you didn't know! You can use food coloring to determine whether you've got a toilet leak. Signs of trouble include your toilet is perpetually running, water randomly dripping down the inside of the bowl, those spooky phantom flushes when no one's even using the bathroom. And since more than a quarter of your household water usage comes from the commode, a leaky toilet is like flushing money down the drain. Here's what to do to test your loo. Remove the toilet tank lid. Drip about 10 drops of food coloring into the tank. Don't flush. Wait 10 to 15 minutes. Check the bowl. If the water in the bowl stays clear, you're in the clear. If the water in the bowl changes color, you've got a leak to take care of. The likely culprit is a dirty, corroded, damaged, or misaligned flapper, or a worn-out flush valve seal if you have a cylinder-type flush tower mechanism, which you'll need to replace as soon as possible. And if you learned something there, please like and share.